Hello everybody, this is a video of all of my fire alarms that I have throughout my house. The first fire alarm that we will be showing you is the System Sensor Spectra Alert. Now this was my first fire alarm I received from a friend at school. This was my very first main fire alarm until we got a couple others, which I will explain in a bit. This alarm runs on code 3 with 75 candela. The next fire alarm that I got was a Spectra Alert Advance P2R. Now this one is also in my basement, just across the room from the other System Sensor Spectra Alert. This one is run at a candela and at maximum volume. And the last fire alarm I have is upstairs in my room. It is a Wheelock AS24C. This one is set to 75 candela and is run at medium volume. The setup I have for all of these devices is this little box right here with an on-off switch. All the wires are connected to this little circuit that I have behind the box, and when it's turned off, none of the alarms can function. When it is turned on, the alarms can. So with all of this in mind, we are going to do a test.